come on, what's he gonna do with that junk? Just some twisted metal. I mean, come on, he can't even say the lyrics. Pretty embarrassing. Why are his eyes closed half the time? Gives me the creeps.
Put your lips next to mine.
Is it just me, or does he not even have it memorized? He has his nose stuffed in the music.
Me once,
Seriously though.
baby. Just a kiss goodnight.
I mean, do they actually think they're special because they harmonize?
You and I will fall